Hi, my name is Vijay, and in this video, I'll teach you how do you check your resume score, how do you make your resume more ATS compliant, and how do you just clearly look section by section where exactly your resume is lacking and why are you not getting shortlisted. For this, I am going to use a tool that I myself have built, and the name of this tool is meracareer.io. Okay, once you hit this URL meracareer.io, you will see a screen which will look like this. And then you have to click on this get started button, and once you do that, you will see an option to log in into this tool. So you can either use you can directly sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can then click on sign up for free every time. So whenever you sign up for the first time, you get free 10 credits to try all of the AI products that are built by meracareer.io. Okay, let's get started. So once you hit the sign in button, you log into the platform and you will get a screen which will look like this. You can either click on this Resume AI button, and once you click on it, you will see an option called as Resume Score AI. Resume Builder AI will take you to the resume creating a resume builder, but you need to go to Resume Score AI. Once you click on Resume Score AI, it will first show you the resume scores that you may have checked in the past. Okay, you can either pick and choose one of these resume scores, or you can just click on generate ATS score to check to create a new score specific to a job description. For this, let me just use an existing job that I have just copied here. The name of this job is Associate Director and Product Manager for a company called as Standard Chartered India. Okay, let me just put it as Standard Chartered India PM. I want to check how aligned my resume is for this specific role. Here I'm going to just copy and paste the job description against which I want to align it, and then I can click on either fetch resume if I have already built a resume using meracareer.io. Okay, I have built multiple resumes, so I can just pick maybe one of the resumes. And if you have not created a resume using meracareer.io, in that case, you can click on upload resume, and you can upload an external file as well. That's completely fine. Okay. Once you do that, you can then click on get ATS resume score. When we do that, it will take some time to analyze the job description and look at your resume, check what is matching, what is not matching, and eventually give you a detailed report. Let's wait for a few seconds for us to get that report. All right, so I'm able to see this score now. Let me just quickly understand how does this score look like. Okay, so it says that the overall score is 85, and this 85 is probably the composite of first the keyword compatibility, which is 78 by 100, and I can totally understand why this is 78 by 100. The reason is I've not customized my resume to this specific role. I've just picked up my existing resume and uploaded it. Okay. Then second, it says quantification. Quantification would be there because my resume has all the numbers and all. Then it says skill match. Skill match is there because the Standard Chartered is a financial services company. I myself have worked for more than a decade in financial services space. Okay, so overall it says 85, and which I think is a good score because it shows the entire thing in all green. Okay, now it shows that what are the improvements that I need to make on my resume. First in this summary, it says that summary has these areas of improvements. Okay, it says that instead of saying this, you can actually put something like this, right? And and then what does recruiters say? What does recruiters exactly value more when it comes to summary? Likewise, in skills, what are the areas of improvements? Okay, how can you improve it from what you have mentioned here to what you need to mention in your resume? Then what does recruiter need? So it has given a section by section work experience, followed by work experience of the other role that I may have worked in, and then work experience of the previous role, right? So it has looked at each and every section of mine and mentioned section wise what is it that we need to change. Then it is saying what is working in my use case. Like I have strong professional summary which highlights the extensive experience, quantified achievements, diverse skill set, all these things. But it says that these are the kind of things I have to improve maybe to make my score even better. Okay. So next step for me from here could be that I can tailor a resume for this job. or I can edit my existing resume. If I want to make very small changes, I can edit. If I want to make a completely new resume using the job description as the base, I can just click on tailor resume and it will create my resume that will optimize. They'll be optimized for the job description of the role that is listed here at this place. Okay, so you can do either of these things, and please try this resume score. I'm sure you'll be able to see where exactly are you failing, where exactly are you facing problems, what are the gaps. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can just click on generate. You've gotten the exact feedback. Okay, do that, and I wish you all the best with your job search, and I'll see you in the next video.